Finally, Africans can access affordable world-class primary and secondary education online with Afrilearn. Here's how it works. Complete content across all subjects in all classes here. Afterwards, you'll find exam practice questions and practice quizzes with solutions. Resume watching top 10 videos and this powerful analytic tool that helps users to see exactly how they are performing in every single subject on the platform. My favorites, recommendations, recent activities, and the likes. To consume the content, all you have to do is click on your desired subjects. Once you do that, it loads and you can see first term, second term, third term. Under each term, when you click the particular topic, it shows you the video lesson, class notes, practice quiz. Now let's click video lesson. Under the video lesson, you have transcripts. So you can choose to read transcripts. You can choose to just using audio. You can also choose the class notes, which comes pre-installed with all class notes across all subjects.